if I think back to 2008, private label was in a very different space. I wouldn't say it was all the way back like when I was a kid, when private label was just like a white can with black letters that said peas. But it was nowhere near at the level of premium potential, innovation potential that you see now with Kirkland, Trader Joe's, Target, Walmart, both have, much more higher end private label. So that has changed. And I think that's going to be a much bigger competitive aspect from a consumer packaged good perspective. So I think that's something that's new.
And if we think about what's the same and what's changed, the things that are the same is Kevin, absolutely. Private label usually does really well during economic pressure times on consumers. Cooking in home, people will
Hmm.
tend to return to that. And we've seen that. And it's been sustained since COVID, by the way.
Right.
We also see staples and meal stretchers. And, we have seen this: rice, beans, ground beef, chicken, depending on those prices. We see smaller formats. People trade down, particularly in snacks, because you only can buy what you can buy till that next paycheck. And mass dollar C store doing really well. The things that are really different about this time that I think is interesting is I was just reading snacks are feeling a lot of pressure.
Mm-hmm.
In the past, during recessionary periods, snacks have done well, particularly more single serve, buying what you can in the moment, just trying to get a meal scrape together. They're feeling pressure, which is why C store's feeling pressure. And to me, that's one signal, as well as many others, that there are fewer places for the consumer to hide today.